All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. I have a product review here for you guys today. This is the IXR Pro Spray Foam. Not sponsored, purchased with our own money. We got this metal building here that gets super hot, and I'd like to do a little tinkering out here. And this is the cheapest spray foam insulation on Amazon right now. So that really appealed to me. I've used some of the more expensive products, similar products that are more expensive, and then also the double can hose type products, and I want to see if this stuff is actually worth saving a couple bucks, because this is just, like I said, a workshop. It's not a house or anything like that, and I'm going to be your guinea pig. So let's check out and see if this thing is worth your investment, and if it is and it looks like a good product, we're going to leave a link below. You guys can check it out and see if it's going to work for your project. Supports the channel too, so let's do it. What you get, this is a 12 pack, and it does come with a kit as well where you can get the spray gun and the whole set. I've already got those, so this is just a 12 pack, but either way, what you get is 12 of these canisters, and they do come in different quantities, so this just happens to be the 12 pack, and this is what you get, a long tube like this. It does 20 board feet, so 12 by 12, 20 feet long. A couple other things they send you with is some tube adapters here, so if you're just doing small cracks and so forth, you don't need a gun, you can use this. And they give you a bunch of tips for a gun as well. So nice to have all that in the packaging. Again, what I'm going to do is try it out here in our metal shop, and it's not going to be pretty, I'm not professional, but I'd like to see what the coverage rate is and how it looks as an end product, and see if it's actually worth saving a couple bucks on this stuff. So let me get to spraying it and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, just make sure you shake the stuff really good, and then you're just gonna load it into your spray gun, screw it in, make sure you get little tips. One does 45 degree, one does straight on. And back here's your adjustment, ready to shoot. All right, you can see after just a couple minutes, it's already starting to puff out and expand. So it's probably gonna end up being about half to an inch quote here. And it is getting decent coverage. Obviously, we could probably come back through and touch up some of the light spots. But it's priced pretty good, again, for an affordable product on Amazon. All right, guys, so we got this done here. And I'll tell you what, from the products that I've used, honestly, I'm not a professional, so it is a little scattered all over the place. And what do you get out of a can anyway? But it's a solid product. This is a closed cell, and you know, if you're really looking for a high R value, maybe come through with another coat, but this is just one coat, anywhere from half to 1 inch. And I think just feeling it, I could definitely not feel the heat from the metal anymore. This is hot Florida. I think it's worth the savings. You know, if you're doing small projects, even in your house, like little tiny areas, this is a product that I think I'd save a couple bucks on. And it's got some pretty good coverage, so I think this is very comparable to a more expensive brand.